Hello, welcome back. My name is Laura from Hippo, and today I'm going to introduce to you our M29. Keep watching to see the unboxing. This is our M29, our professional wireless microphone. Professional sound and seamless connectivity. M29 has been designed to deliver professional quality sound while being incredibly simple to use. It comes with powerful wireless radio system that delivers signals up to a range of 100 meters. It is compact and portable. It comes 2 receivers and 1 transmitter. It has 360 degrees omnidirectional sound pickup, 2.4 GHz wireless transmission, and environment noise cancelling with dual microphones, up to 75 decibels. This device has input and outputs jack 3.5 and USB-C. It has 360 degrees rotating clamp. It means it can be clamped in different positions. 2 buttons for power on, mute, and ENC mode. It is really easy to use, plug and play, and adapt to most of your apps. It comes also with a wind protector. Inside the box, you can also find the cables, the charging cable, a cable 1-to-1 jack 3.5, and an earphones cable. If you want to know more about the newest products in China, you can follow us on our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. See you there. Bye-bye.